Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. You might have came across the SEBI's new latest draft circular. And today I am going to break down all those things in detail. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. This is the SEBI's draft circular for public comments. Participation of retail investors in algo trading. Actually, SEBI has proposed guidelines on retail investors for algo trading and it is seeking for public feedback. Earlier, SEBI had neutral stance on algo trading, not fully supporting it or opposing it. However, this neutrality has become a roadblock for retail investors. But now, SEBI aims to level up these by introducing a clear regulations for promoting algo trading to retail investors. Until now, this algo trading was reserved for big institutional players. But now, this move could be a game changer. I guess you guys might be aware about what is algo trading. Now I'll explain what is algo trading with our platform, which is Quantman. Algo trading uses automated strategies to execute your trades. Here you can link trading account with the broker and execute your trades. In Quantman, we have 33 plus integrated brokers with us and you can execute your trades all over here. You can create the strategy and give the conditions based on time, indicator or logic that you prefer. You can give the instruments, maybe the indexes or even the stocks that you prefer and you can build it over here. After creating a strategy, you can backtest it and you can see the performance over here. These performances are based on the historical data from past 1 year. You can analyze your strategy using winning probability and risk per trade and also the maximum drawdown that is going to happen. You can analyze on which days it was performing well and all the profit and losses and all the transactions over here. By looking into these results, I will decide whether I can go on with this strategy or not. Platform like Quantman will help us to create, test and deploy the strategies. Once if you have backtested all the strategies, you can deploy it in the live. Once you give deploy strategy, you can do either paper testing or in auto trading. The biggest advantage of auto trading is that there is no manual intervention. Trades happen automatically based on your preset strategies, which will help you to reduce your emotional decision. Suppose, let's say you have defined your specific stop loss and take profit. The trades will execute based on your predefined conditions. This avoids emotional mistakes like closing too early before it reaches the profit or holding the losses for longer periods. SEBI seems to want people to move to algo trading as manual trading make huge losses. However, in algo trading, losses can occur if your strategy is not a good one. This is the SEBI's draft circular on participation of retail investors in algo trading. These comments or suggestions will be opened till January 3, 2025 and this is the link where you can give your public feedback. SEBI has released just a draft circular and which is not a final one. They are asking for public feedback till January 3, 2025. The draft mentions that the platform like Algo Services, which is like Quantman, has to get registered with NSE. In circular, they have mentioned there are two categories of algos. One is algos where logic is disclosed and replicable, execution algos or white box algos. And the second one is algos where logic is not known to the users and it is not replicable, which is black box algos. Now you will have a question like what is white box algos and what is black box algos. I'll explain it now clearly. White box algos, which are transparent and all the logics can be seen in the same strategy. You can see how they work and what are the parameters they have given. You can even modify it. Now, black box algos are the ones where the conditions will not be revealed. You can just see the description of it, and this is what they call as black box algos, where the users cannot replicate it or modify it. The retail investors who create their own algos have to get registered with the exchange. However, the exact process isn't clear yet. For example, if you want to modify anything in your strategy, let's say you are going to change some stop loss or some logic in your strategies, you have to get approval from the exchange. Now you guys will have a question like, what can we do now? For now, if you are interested in algo platforms, you can start familiarizing it using our platform, which is Quantman. You can do paper testing and forward testing to understand how these algos work. Now, what do you think about the SEBI circular? This draft circular is a positive step from the SEBI, promoting algo trading for retail investors, which wasn't available earlier. It shows that SEBI has stepped forward to support algo trading instead of being neutral. Share your feedback in the comment section. Let all the public can know what their feedback is. Hope this video find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's meet again on Jan 3rd. Until then, stay tuned.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.